Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, there was a problem mounting the file in Windows 11, 10 fix. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer. Second method is change ISO file location. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy reg text from description and paste it. Delete upper filters and lower filters. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.